If you get bitten by a king cobra, you have about 30 minutes before your diaphragm paralyzes and you literally forget how to breathe. For decades, science has cured diseases with synthesized chemicals and lab-grown vaccines. But when it comes to the complex, tissue-melting, nerve-destroying cocktail that is snake venom, modern chemistry fails completely. We cannot synthesize a cure in a lab. Instead, the only way to save your life is to harvest a cure using a method invented in the 19th century, by creating a literal battlefield inside the blood of a horse. Here is how snake anti-venom is actually made, and the terrifying molecular war that happens inside your body to save your life. The molecular war. How anti-venom works. Part 1. The century-old manufacturing process. The process starts with one of the most dangerous jobs on Earth, milking. Expert handlers physically massage the venom glands of live snakes to collect raw venom, which is immediately freeze-dried into a stable powder. Now, enter the unsung hero of toxicology, the horse. Because of their massive blood volume and incredibly robust immune systems, horses are the perfect biological factories. Technicians inject a horse with a tiny non-lethal dose of the snake venom. It's too small to make the animal sick, but it's just enough to sound the alarm for its immune system. Over several months, the horse receives gradually increasing doses, building up a massive army of specialized proteins called antibodies. Once the horse is immune, a safe amount of blood is drawn, just like a human donating blood. The red blood cells are actually returned to the horse, but the yellow plasma, packed with antibodies, goes to a chemical lab. If you injected raw horse plasma directly into a human, their body would violently reject it. So, chemists use specialized enzymes to strip away the animal parts of the proteins, leaving behind pure concentrated venom-binding fragments. That purified solution is the anti-venom. Part 2. The molecular battle inside you. But what happens when that anti-venom enters your body after a bite? To understand the cure, you have to understand the poison. Think of snake venom as thousands of highly specific keys swimming through your blood, looking for locks, your nerve endings and blood cells, to destroy. When anti-venom is pumped into your IV, it floods your system with billions of those horse-derived antibodies. These antibodies have a lock and key fit designed specifically for that venom. They slam into the venom molecules and physically wrap around them like a thick molecular glove. Molecular binding. Once the venom is covered, it can no longer bind to your nerve receptors. A neurotoxin that was about to paralyze your lungs is suddenly neutralized. It's still in your body, but it's completely harmless. Next comes immobilization. The antibodies link together, causing the venom proteins to clump into massive molecular aggregates. They become too heavy to travel through your tissue or cross cell membranes. They are anchored in place. Finally, your own body's immune system takes over. Your liver and spleen recognize these massive antibody venom clumps as cellular waste. White blood cells engulf them, digest them, and your kidneys flush the harmless remnants out of your body. Part 3. The race against time. But here is the catch, and why snake bites are still so terrifying. Anti-venom is not a time machine. Anti-venom can only neutralize venom that is still actively circulating in your blood. If a toxin has already bound to a nerve and triggered paralysis, or if a cytotoxic venom has already destroyed muscle tissue around the bite, the anti-venom cannot undo that damage. It only stops more damage from happening. That is why every minute matters. Hospitals usually stock 2 types. Monovalent anti-venom, made from just one snake species, which is incredibly powerful but requires doctors to know exactly what bit you. And polyvalent anti-venom, a cocktail made from multiple regional snakes, used when a panicked victim has no idea what struck them. So, the next time you see a video of a terrifyingly venomous snake, remember that the cure isn't some synthetic pharmaceutical miracle. It's a century-old biological partnership between humans, horses, and the snakes themselves. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the unknown, and let me know in the comments, what's the most misunderstood animal on the planet? See you in the next video.